when I finished my studies at the Vienna University of Technology, so I graduated in the field of mechanical engineering and business administration, and I did my master's thesis at Professor Kopacek's institute. So I got to know the program, the engineering management program. I started to work in the IT consulting business. After a few years in this consulting business, I started my own company together with my father, which was a consulting company for mainly for banks. And after that, more or less by accident, I stepped into the business I'm still performing today, into the smart home business. So this is not the first company in this field that I'm running, because m-smartsolutions was only founded in 2016. The challenge that we always faced and still are facing is to bridge the gap between different systems and gadgets. Nowadays you can buy a lot of smart devices and gadgets if you just go to the next supermarket or to IKEA. But if you want to connect all those together, this is a major task for even very experienced and professional engineers. We are one of only a few in the market that focus on usability, and usability meaning systems being able to be operated by non-technicians. It's not a lot of specific knowledge, of course, that I can apply, because things are changing so quickly in this area of technology. But it's a lot of methods that we were taught, and we got to know together with very good educational staff that was employed in the program. And so it's methods of project management, it's methods of organization, it's methods of how to assess whether technologies and systems are suitable for the purpose that you intend to use them for. I think if you have the chance, you should do it right away after finishing your studies, and also you should try to get the best out of it by staying in contact and being in contact with the people, with the participants, with the professors that you get to know.